Hi, would you like to spice up your drone video or add a little bit more excitement? Well, let me show you how in this video. My name is Brad and I like to do drone videos every single week to help you improve your drone videos. If that sounds like something you would like to see, go ahead and click that subscribe button so you can see our videos every single week. Let's get to it. I love a good drone video, but they're just getting so boring because they're all the same shots. And I'm just as guilty as everyone else, so what I like to do is I like to try out new moves, new techniques, and new things just to see if I can spice up my videos and make them a little bit nicer. And in this video, we're going to talk about going the wrong way. It's a pretty simple concept because basically you'll have a moving subject, whether it's a person or a car or whatever, as long as they're moving, and then you move in the opposite direction. A lot of people love to do tracking shots and follow shots, and they are really nice shots. But what happens if they're going one way and the drone is going the other? It adds an extra dynamic, so just check these videos out. Here, I'm pointing down at about a 45-degree angle, and the subject leaves the frame. Now we're going the other direction, but as I'm moving away from the subject, I'm also coming down a little bit. Remember, doing multiple moves at once is actually going to make it even more dynamic. And in this one, we're doing a profile move where the subject moves in and out of the frame as you're moving the other direction. You can also try flying the opposite way with an orbit move. How about this? How about the subject turns around and you orbit in the other direction? And here is my favorite. Straight down, he's walking away and I'm moving away, but then I start to tilt up to reveal where he is walking. This is a really cool shot. All of these are going to add that extra element you need for your videos to spice them up just a little bit, but don't overuse them because then it will get boring. You want to vary your shots. You want to use a lot of different shots. That way your videos won't be so boring. Using this will set you apart from other drone videos. I challenge you in the next video you make, use some of these moves and let me know all about it. You can send a link in the comments below. It will get spammed, but I will be able to see it. Or you can just shoot me an email, brad@bradsdrones.com. Now I know I'm not perfect and I probably missed something, or maybe you would like to see some other kind of moves tried out, or maybe you have something that you've tried out and you'd like me to know about it. I would love to hear about it. Leave it in the comments below. And of course, if you liked the video, click that like button. If you didn't like the video, well then click the don't like button. I don't care. If you want to see more videos like this, click the subscribe button. And of course, until next time, fly safe and bye!